Subway, this is Dina.
Yes, hello? Hello?
Hello?
Can I get a $5 foot long? I want a $5 foot long. Hello?
Are you gonna get a sandwich?
Yeah, I want a $5 foot long.
Are you gonna order one over the phone, or are you gonna come in?
What kind of $5 foot long can I get?
We have ham, cold cut combo, turkey, or spicy Italian.
And those are the $5 foot long.
Yeah.
What $5 foot long you think I should get?
Are you gonna order one over the phone, or are you gonna come in?
What you think is best?
I don't know. Whatever you
I
want.
just want a $5 foot long. Hello?
Are you gonna order one over the phone?
Ah!